Well, absolutely loved this when I saw it and knew it was coming in onto catalogue. Antique Keeling & Co, and it's one we've had before, but not in this colour range. Gloucester. We'll show you the RD number and Keeling & Co factory stamp on the rear. It's this sort of aesthetic movement design, almost Japanese, Chinese cherry blossom outer floral rim design detailing, but very fluid, very sort of aesthetic in its nature. And again, this inner rim with these drops and Art Nouveau-esque designs on a brown transfer print on a cream ironstone glazed plate. This one's sitting in a 19th century fine wire rack that's been very, very carefully and nicely made by whoever put that together. It's quite a thin one. They're usually much thicker than this, but it works very well. There's no damage on any of the fine wires going over the edge. There is the Keeling & Co Gloucester C&Co, the RD number 104604. Dates this plate to around 1880s. We've got on our listing, I think, 1889. Somebody's stuck a sticker on here saying 1888, which is not far wrong. They've done their research very nicely. Doesn't have the usual Keeling & Co impress marks, but it has got a TP and an M, which should probably just batch or internal factory ratings. But just look at the glaze condition on this one. This is what makes it stand out, really. Loads of lovely sooty inclusions. Keeling & Co were using pretty dirty coke furnaces at this stage, and we've got little soot inclusions in the glaze. Absolutely typical of their work. Very nice. I mean, those signs of genuine pattern are there, aren't there? But the glaze, just look, I think this one's been on display almost all its life, because there's not a knife mark on it. A really nice example of Keeling & Co Gloucester in a brown and white palette. There are still dinner services out there in large country estates in England and around the world, because this was exported at this time globally by Keeling & Co, who was quite a significant producer of a range of aesthetic and Art Deco and Art Nouveau pieces later. But this is a nice early one, 1889, Keeling & Co Gloucester in the brown and white transfer design. Thanks for watching.